Hi, I'm David, and I'm part of the Carolina Footwear Design and Development team. I'm here to talk to you today about the 28 series. The 28 series has a highly durable 90-degree heel rubber lug outsole, available in composite and soft toe options. All 28 series boots meet ASTM standards for electrical hazard and impact and compression. Built on a Goodyear weld construction, this boot has a tough steel shank for extra stability and support. Available in a unique cartoon cigar leather upper in 8-inch and 6-inch boot heights. The 100% waterproof Scuba liner membrane will make sure your feet stay dry throughout the entire workday. Our rugged woven lace that feeds through die-cast metal hooks and eyelets gives this boot long-lasting performance. They also come with Thinsulate insulation for cold weather jobs. The 28 series boot provides all the features you need to get through the long work day ahead. That's the Carolina way, built for work.